Yon World, what's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how many Spotify streams you would need to make minimum wage every month. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy, Yon World. Now, as you can see, we on my Spotify page. I'm a verified artist, Yon World, and right now I'm generating 21,000 monthly listeners on Spotify. We can refresh that just to make sure everything is fresh and new. Yup, 21,000 monthly listeners on Spotify I'm generating. And if we go to my Spotify for artists, you can see for the past 7 days, right, past week, I've generated over 40,000 streams on Spotify, right? And this had me thinking, like, how many streams would I need to generate, to make minimum wage, right? And minimum wage in Michigan right now is $9.45 per hour. So if we pull out the calculator and do some math, $9.45, right, times 40, like you work a full week, right, you would earn $378, right? And if we times that by the month, which is 4 weeks, you would make $1,512, right, in Michigan, right, working a full month, 40-hour weeks at $9.45 per hour. You would make $1,512 before taxes, right? Now, how many streams would you need on Spotify to generate $1,500? To make $1,500, how many streams would you need on Spotify, right? Now, we pull up the calculator, right? I'll show you. Spotify pays out 0.003. This is the minimum. This is the least they will pay out per stream. Now, it varies between the country your stream is generated in and the tier, whether it was a free tier or a premium tier stream. That determines like a higher royalty rate. But the basis, the minimum Spotify will pay you out per stream is 0.003 per stream, right? So, how many Spotify, at this rate, how many Spotify streams would you need to make $1,500 per month, right? You would need 500,000 Spotify streams to make $1,500 per month. Now, I hope y'all learned something new. I hope that helped y'all out, just to see how many streams you would need to generate on Spotify, right, per month to make $1,500, right? And you probably wondering, like, Yon, how do you generate 500,000 streams on Spotify? Like, if you don't have no following, you know what I'm saying? If you don't have, like, if you just getting started off as a musician, right? And you can do this easily through music promotion. You have to promote your music. You have to, invest in your craft, right? And I have a method which I've been sharing with people, which is called the Spotify method. You can subscribe to my channel. I have cards linked, but if you go through the Spotify method, which I talk about on my videos, right, it would cost between $200 and $390 to earn $1,500 back in Spotify royalties, right? Now, the more you pay, like say if you did pay $390 per 500,000 streams, right, you would make more back in royalties. You would make closer